Restaurant logo vocabulary. 50 restaurant logo in English with picture. Let's start the video. McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Subway, Starbucks, Domino's, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Chipotle, Dunkin Donuts, Popeyes, Five Guys, Shake Shack, Chick-fil-A, Dairy Queen, Panera Bread, Little Caesars, Papa John's, Buffalo Wild Wings, Olive Garden, Applebee's, Chili's, Outback Steakhouse, The Cheesecake Factory, Red Lobster, IHOP, Denny's, Hooters, Texas Roadhouse, TGI Fridays, Waffle House, In-N-Out Burger, Whataburger, Jack in the Box, Arby's, Sonic Drive-In, Panda Express, Wingstop, Jersey Mike's, Raising Cane's, Nando's, Pret-A-Manger, Cinnabon, Krispy Kreme, Hardee's, Carl's Jr., Costa Coffee, Jollibee, Tim Hortons. Thanks for watching.